AI confidently suggests a method. You use it. It doesn't exist. Sound familiar? When AI suggests an API, your first stop is the official documentation. Not a blog post, not Stack Overflow, but the library's own docs. Search for the exact method or class name. If you can't find it, that's a strong red flag. AI models are trained on older data and often invent method names that sound plausible, but were never real. Even if the API exists, make sure you're looking at the right version. APIs change between major releases. Methods get added, renamed, or removed entirely. Your project might be on version 1, docx, while the AI references version 2x. Always check your installed version, then filter the docs to match. Mismatched versions are one of the most common reasons AI API suggestions fail. The fastest sanity check, just try calling the API. If you get an import error or attribute error, you have your answer immediately. For extra certainty, search the library's GitHub repository directly. Look for the method in the source code or skim the changelog. The source code is the ultimate authority. If the function isn't defined there, it doesn't exist, regardless of what the AI told you. To verify any AI API suggestion, check the official docs, confirm your library version, and trust the source code. Follow for more AI engineering tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.